Hello, Johnson Jaguar. Salam, Jaguar.
Привет, Johnson.
Hola, Johnson.
Jumbo, Johnson Jaguars.
Hi, Johnson Jaguars. I'm Q.
I'm Jordan.
And I'm Brendan.
Happy Monday. This is the broadcast for May 6, 2024. The 5th month is also the last month of spring. Let's get started with the Jaguar pledge. I'm a Johnson Jaguar.
I'm a responsible learner.
I am safe.
I'm respectful.
I'm productive.
I'm a Johnson Jaguar.
Number 2, be safe. Keep your hands to yourselves at the lunch tables. It's an eating time, not a playing time.
Be respectful. Ask a trusted adult about words you hear if you don't know what they mean. Don't repeat them. Be productive. Learn your math facts to make all math
Easier. Bye, Johnson Jaguars.
Hello, Johnson Jaguars. My name is Evelina, and today I'm going to be talking about the Jag Assembly. It was so cool. Congratulations to the people who got an award. Little kids were so cute, and they sang so well. Now I'm going to show you the video of the little kids singing. Here are some of the teachers that taught them. Miss Berry, Miss Hernandez, Miss Crawford, and many more. And Miss Hirschmiller. Miss Hirschmiller sewed all of the costumes. Hi, Johnson Jaguars.
What's up?
I'm Vincent.
And I'm Mrs. Ibrahim.
These are the teachers that have birthdays in May. Miss Ibrahim,
That's true. I do have a birthday this month.
Miss Rhodes, Miss Erin Nevis, Miss Samar, Miss Healy, and Miss Jessica, and Miss Wright.
If it's your birthday in May in your classroom, please stand up if you have a May birthday. You see them?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Mhm.
Are you going to sing with me?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jaguar. Happy birthday to me. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Hi, Johnson Jaguars.
I'm Dylan.
I'm Dawn.
And I'm Michael. Sunday, May 12th is Mother's Day.
Help her out.
Don't forget to help your mom around the house.
Hey, Michael, what's your favorite thing about your mom?
She likes taking care of us, doing stuff for us, and other stuff.
She actually spends time with us instead of is too focused about work.
She takes care of me.
Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day.
Hi Johnson Jaguars, my name is Alina and I will be talking about the Bubble Fun Run. It is on Friday, May 24th, 2024. Parents, you guys are invited to come and watch your kids run in this amazing event. The students will be kept track of the laps that they do on the grass fields with a popsicle stick. The class with the most markings gets a special prize. Parents, please, if you can, scan this very barcode so you can donate bubble supplies to us. Or students can give us an envelope so the school can buy bubble supplies. Bye everybody.
No, 227 subscribers.
Thank you all.
Thank you all for watching and subscribing.
Tell everybody in your family and all of your friends to subscribe.
We love you.
Johnson Jaguars.
We didn't see
see you there.
Oh, but we have 207 followers. Thank you.
No, 227 subscribers.